To the average person, the fact that Albert Einstein didn't consider himself to be an accomplished mathematician may come as a considerable surprise. After all, he had a remarkable command of mathematics compared to the average physicist of his day, much less the average person of his or any other day. What he really meant was that his grasp of mathematics was no match for the brilliant Italian Tullio Levi-Civita. So Einstein's perception was a relative one, but then Einstein was the master of relativity. Of course, in earlier times, there had been no distinction between mathematicians and physicists. Since ancient times, astronomy and computation, mechanics and geometry could be thought of as parts of the same profession. And yet there had always been certain individuals who, like Einstein, had a special intuition about how the world really works. In the 19th century, a new term was coined to describe those individuals. The term was physicist. But even before it had a name, the science of physics had been advanced by two individuals whose command of mathematics wasn't just weak, it was virtually non-existent. One of them was the Honorable Benjamin Franklin of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a colony of England in the rather uncivilized Americas. The other, who was born at about the time that Pennsylvania was no longer anyone's colony, was Michael Faraday. Queen Victoria's England. Without a proper education, Michael Faraday found it difficult even to get his foot in the door. But once established within the Royal Institution, Michael Faraday found a satisfaction that comes only from the pursuit and discovery of original scientific ideas. And though ill-equipped in mathematics, Faraday would do as much as anyone to propel science beyond the mechanical universe of Isaac Newton. Newton's laws of mechanics, together with his theory of the force of gravity, had convinced the world of science that the world could be understood by rational means. Along this same path, Newton's followers would discover that, like gravity, electricity, and magnetism, are also forces that decrease with the square of the distance. The similarity was amazing.